Hey there, it's Marty Fraser, the bearded realtor with Bosley Real Estate. Today, Jody Darcy and I are showcasing our next listing here at 190 Hespeler Road, Unit 501 in Cambridge. This fifth floor bungalow style condo has westerly views, carpet free and built in 1991. Let's go in and have a look around. Upon entry, we have this spacious foyer with a closet on the right, and the door on the left has the laundry and some storage. This two-bedroom, two-bathroom condo is almost 1,600 square feet and was just renovated in 2023. Walking into the main living space, we have a visual of the open concept layout, allowing us to see the kitchen, dinette, living room, and dining room. Formerly a closed-off galley-style kitchen, the space has now been opened up, allowing for the flow of both natural light and conversations when entertaining. The kitchen has an abundance of cabinetry, pantry, quartz countertops, both pendant and pot lights, and stainless steel appliances. At the west end of the kitchen, we have this drink fridge, bar area, and coffee station. The living area is quite large, has many windows, and this luxury vinyl plank flooring. The space is large enough and has this separate dining area, so when you are downsizing, you can still bring your family-sized dining room table and hutch. Walking down the hall, we have bedroom number 2 that is king-sized, and on the other side, we have the 4-piece family bathroom. Down the end of the hall, we have the primary suite that has this good-sized bedroom, plenty of windows, and a walk-in closet. The ensuite is spacious, has this tiled shower with glass door and a heated towel rack. According to Google Maps, 190 Hespeler Road, Unit 501 in Cambridge is just 1 minute to the family YMCA, 3 minutes to the Cambridge Center, 4 minutes to the closest Tim Hortons, 6 minutes to the 401 at Hespeler Road, and 7 minutes to Shades Mills Conservation Area. The condo includes one underground parking spot, number 59B on level 2. Also on level 2, we have the storage locker, L24-501. Available for rent is the guest suite with private bathroom. We have this exercise room with TV. Just off the lobby, we have this library and lounge area with pool table. We have an outdoor tennis court, his/hers saunas, a workshop with tons of machinery, a party room with adjoining kitchen, and lastly, an indoor heated pool. Wasn't that a spectacular condo? We have this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, renovated bungalow-style condo with 1 underground parking spot, storage locker, and a ton of amenities. Are you interested in this condo? Please call me to set up an appointment. I'd love to meet you in person, shake your hand, and bring you through this great home.